Hi, so welcome to the first video of this course. So in this video, we will see how to create a Gmail account to use Google Sheets. So first we need to go to gmail.com. In case you are already having a Gmail ID, you can enter and log in using this email ID. Otherwise, you can create a new email ID. So click on create account and you can choose to create for yourself. Now here you need to mention your first name and last name, and then choose a username which is suitable to you. So let us say I have kept a username of ishanluthra.learner6@gmail.com. Now in case there is a username which has been chosen by you but it is already in use by some other user on the Gmail domain, so it will throw an error. For example, if I choose an email ID ishanluthra.learner5@gmail.com, so you can see that it has thrown an error that this username is already taken, and try another. So let's try another one, ishanluthra.learner6, and then you need to enter a password, set a password and enter the same password here to confirm and click next. Now in this stage you will be required to mention your mobile number, which is optional. In case you are having any other email ID, you can put it as a recovery email address here, which is also optional. Then your date of birth and gender. So after filling all these steps, you will see the next step, which looks like this. So this window appears after you have filled the details like your mobile number, date of birth, etc. And in case you fill your mobile number, although that is optional, then you will receive an OTP on your mobile number and you can confirm it. So after following those steps, you will come to this page. So now here you can either skip or you can mention that you are in, and then agree to these policies. And then after agreeing to these policies, our Gmail account will be created and you will log in to your mailbox and you will see a window similar to this one. So now you will first receive an email from the Google community. So let us cross this save password, don't switch. So this is an email which you receive as your first email in your mailbox after creating your account from Google community. So thanks for watching this video. Now we will meet in the next video and we'll see how to create a Google Sheet.